Is Hella up top?
Nah, she's middle. I might be lying.
You try and kidnap her out.
She is like in our spawn.
Nice.
Bro, you guys are taking like unlimited damage.
So much
I don't know.
damage.
Bro, can we get a second tank? Jesus Christ.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yo, Red 40, you wanna hit 1-0?
I can go mag.
What do you mean hit what?
No,
Hit
no, it's
one
not
ult.
red 40. I can go mag if somebody goes support. Like,
Well, I hit my Gruul. We don't have a second tank to walk them.
We're down 2 people when you hit that, and you hit 0 magos too.
I think we should. I think we should regroup. This Hella is rolling.
You want me to hit a Mago against the Strange, bro, when their cloak is actually smart? They literally all hide behind their Strange.
I have Luna ult, but I'm not there yet. You guys gotta play slow until I get there and not die. Be good if he can force out. I'm coming. 1, 2, 3.
Nice ult, dumbass.
I forced the Luna,
Yeah, and you
6,
died because of it.
5, 4,
and I
3,
got rocket.
2, 1. I'm dead.
good try,
They're
guys.
all codes.
We made a solid attempt. Hope you guys have a good
10
night.
and 7 doing nothing on group, bro. Good job.
Yeah, solo group, my bad.
That's
Why do we
your
get off?
fault.
Why do we get off mag?
Exactly, dumb bot.
We should have went Mad Group, bro. It was
You're
a
just
great
terrible at the
comp
game,
from
kid.
Mad Group.
Stop talking.
I could have went mag, bro. Fuck it.
Oh yeah, baby. 51% accuracy on the Luna. I don't know about you, but yeah, they're toxic. I really don't think Red was the problem there. I think we all just collectively kind of played like shit. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. We good to queue again or no?
Yeah.
$52. Oh, sorry, 51 plus 1 on the Luna. My nose hurts. Ow. Okay, I'm tired of this song. I was asking you what you did today, Sev. What did you do today? Anybody have anything fun to tell me if they did today? I would like to hear about it. Got your hair cut because I had to go to the DMV and get a new photo ID. Ooh, how come? Did you lose one?
Which hero do you think you want to be today? I'm Luna Snow. Like the moon, I shine in darkness.
Mining, moving to the state means new ID. Oh, that's right, that's right. Are you moving, are you staying in that state?
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match?
That's current plan. Okay.